Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. Today we are going to continue from our code from our previous episode. And we are going to talk about markers with the Leaflet package and R programming language. So adding a basic marker, it's a really simple thing to do. Only thing that you have to write is add markers function. And we are going to provide latitude of 42 degrees and longitude of 22 degrees, then pop-up text, hey, okay, and don't forget pipeline. Run it, refresh it, and voila, we have our marker. If we click on it, we are going to get our pop-up message. But now, if we want some label text too, we could add another option, label, and set value to label text, save it, run it, refresh this, and you see, when I hover over our marker, I have my label text. When I click on it, I have pop-up text. And now, with this text, there is actually some trick that you can do. I'm going to make some space in here. Okay, and for pop-up, I'm going to write something like this. Opening and closing a HTML tag, and in here I'm going to add style, and then escape characters with quotation marks, and in here I'm going to say color red. So as any other CSS styling, and in here I'm going to mark my marker. Save it, run it again, refresh it, and let's see. My marker in red. And now if you want to play with style of your label, you cannot do it in this way. For that you're going to need one more package, and that is library HTML tools. And now we are going to change this text with function L apply, and in here I'm going to put some HTML code, once again with paragraphs, opening and closing tab, style, and let's say color. Let's add some custom color, some shade of gray, like this. And text is going to be my label. And now as second argument to this function, we are going to type HTML, all in capital letters. Save it, run it. Okay, probably have some typo in here. IS, wrong place. Like this, HTML. This argument should be second argument for L apply function. Let's try again. Another bracket, save it, run it. Now everything is fine. Refresh this and let's see what we have. So now I have my label text in gray color. Alright, perfect. And now I'm going to teach you how to add multiple markers all at once. For that we need a couple of collections. So Latitude. And I'm going to create 5 markers for this episode. So for Latitude I'm going to use values of 41, 42, 42,5, 41,5 and 40. 5 values, yeah, 4, 5, okay. For longitude, I'm going to use values of 21, 22,2, 21,5, 24, and 23. That's fine. And now I'm going to add some label text. Labels, collection of, let's say 5 letters. A, B, C, D, and E. That's fine. So now I'm just going to change these values to lat, LNG, and in here we have to correct this code. For that I'm going to use function paste like this. Okay, I'm going to remove a value. So as second argument I'm going to provide labels, and ending of paragraph is going to be third argument. Okay, everything looks nice for now. Save it, run it. Okay, probably some typo, let me check. Yes, function paste should end in here. And another typo, LNG. Okay, everything is nice now. So refresh it. And finally we have our 5 markers, and all of those in Macedonia region. Okay, now take a look. If we zoom out, we are going to get all of these markers one atop the another. There is one really nice way to solve this problem. Let me show you how to do it. So we are going to add another argument to add markers function, and that is cluster options. And now we are going to type marker cluster options without any argument. Okay, save this, run it. And finally, keep in mind that this option doesn't work with all of map providers. So there is possibility that we are not going to be able to use it for these maps. So now I'm going to check that. But actually these maps are fine. Now if we zoom out, we are just going to get this number 5 for our 5 markers. And if we zoom in, we are going to get all of these markers divided, you see. Zoom back, zoom out, and we have our number again. So guys, this is all for this episode. I truly hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya.